Let's learn the Japanese particle ga. So, what is particle ga? Ga is a subject marker, and ga shows who or what is doing the action. For example, 私が行きます. That means I will go. And 私 is I, which is subject. And 行きます is the verb action and following that ga. Here's another example. 田中さんが来ます. That means Mr. Tanaka will come. And Tanaka-san is the subject and ga marks him. You may confuse which one to use, ga or wa, because they are both come after the subject of the sentence. Sometimes wa and ga are both possible, like this example. 田中さんは来ます. 田中さんが来ます. They make sense, both of them. What shows, this is the top sentence, what shows the topic. But the ga is more focused. It tells us who did it. So the meaning is a little bit different. And you want to use ga when you want to emphasize about the subject. Okay, let's try this question. 誰来ますか? A は誰は来ますか? B が誰が来ますか? Which particle fits best? The correct answer is B. 誰が来ますか? Hey, how was the quiz? Hope you learned how to use ga as the subject particle. And if you want more learning Japanese video like this, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. またね